How to buy coins on Solana blockchain. Hi everyone. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can buy coins on Solana blockchain. So in order to buy coins, you'll have to first log in into your account. After that, you'll be taken to the home page. That's going to look something like this. Due to some security concern, the screen is unavailable, so I'm just going to instruct you. So once you're logged in, go ahead and verify your account as well, and then you have to link your funding source as well. If you've already linked your funding source, then you need to purchase your Solana. After that, you have to select the order or buy type whatsoever and enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy. And then you also need to, since you're buying coins, so you have to go ahead and link your payment source as well. Make sure that you have enough funds or that you've already linked your bank account or credit card whatsoever. And if you're sure about it, confirm the purchase, and then you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully bought coins on Solana blockchain. So in that way, you can buy coins on Solana blockchain. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.